Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make this type video in Capcut and Wink and Coloro. So first of all you can open your Capcut and download your clip and then drag to Capcut and edit. So I am using the filter, you can use them also, okay. So you can see it, this is very HD video. I am using 4K filter, his name, and I am using Capcut Pro. So I am deleting the another clips. I need just 1 second clip, okay. So go to export and export it. This fps need to 30, okay. So go to export and export it, okay. This is taking very long time. So go to Coloro and import this video. You can see it. Go to adjustment and click on detail. The clarity is 100 and the sharpness 27, I think. This is better, okay. So export it. Now I am going to Wink and enhance this video. So go to Wink and enhance the video. Click on AI repair and import the video. So select the AI color and click auto. So you can see this is very HD video. This is the result. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe my channel, okay. I am new